Hello guys, so I hope so you are all doing well and the topic that we have covered till now all clear to you, and if you have any confusion, any problem, you can ask me anytime, right? So in today's class we are going to prove a theorem, and believe me, proving a theorem is the easiest type of question in mathematics, because before proceeding you already know the result. You just need to find that path, right? So I am making it simple. So you can prove any theorem by using these three steps. Step 1, read the statement. Read the statement carefully. You can read that statement 2 or 3 times and try to separate what is the given portion, what you need to prove. That's the first step. And try to write given information to prove part in mathematical form. Right? In step 2, just make a diagram related to that and mention all the given information in the diagram properly. But remember one thing, you just need to mention what is given, because many students are there, those mention that information also in the diagram that they need to prove, and after that they make a mistake using that, right? And step 3, just try to find that path, right? So I'm reading this information, and the given information in the question is, if angles subtended by the chords of a circle at the center are equal, then chords are equal, then chords are equal, then chords are equal, and this is the portion that you need to prove. You have to prove the chords are equal. And what is the given information? So I'm reading it again. Angles subtended by the chord of a circle at the center means there are chords and they are making, subtend means making, they are making angle at the center. Okay, that is the given information, and that angle is equal. Those angles are equal and you need to prove chords are equal. Means in short, I can say there are only two information. The question, the theorem is talking about chord and the angle made by that. Chord, angle made by that, and we know that if chords are equal, angles are equal at the center. And if angles are equal, chords are equal, that you need to prove, right? So in previous theorem we have proved if chords are equal, angles are equal. But in today's class we need to prove if angles are equal, chords are equal. But there are infinite chord in the circle, right? So can you make infinite chord in the circle? Yes, we can try to make, but it is not possible to make infinite chord in the circle. But due to corona, and let's follow the social distancing rule, I'm making only 2 chord in the circle and try to find this the desired result. So in the circle, this is the center. I'm making only 2 chord AB and CD. So AB chord is making angle AOB at the center, and CD chord is making angle COD at the center, and it is given that angles subtended by the chords of a circle at the center are equal. Means it is already given this angle AOB equal to angle COD. You can write here as well, angle AOB is equal to angle COD. And what you need to prove? Chords are equal, means you need to prove AB is equal to DC or CD. You can write in both way, AB is equal to CD, that you need to prove, right? Mention all the given information in the diagram. So directly it is only one information that is given in the question, that angles are equal, but indirectly you can see, as this is circle and OA, OB, OC, OD, all are the radius of the circle, means all must be equal, right? These two information are given. Now you just need to find that path you can use to prove this question, to prove this statement, right? So what is the path? Okay, I need to prove AB equal to CD. I can see there are 2 triangles, and in triangle if I need to prove 2 sides equal or 2 angles equal, what concept you can use? I'm thinking like you, right? I can use congruency concept, because in congruency, if you prove 2 triangles are congruent, using CPCT you can prove any angle equal to any angle, corresponding angle, obviously, right? So in triangle AOB and triangle COD, can I write OA equal to OC? Sir, you can write OA equal to OD as well. Yes, you can write in both way, no problem. So in these 2 triangle, OA is equal to OC and OB equal to OD. And why? Write the region in bracket also, radius of the circle, radius of the circle. Now angle AOB equal to COD also. Angle AOB is equal to angle COD. Why? Because it is given. You need to mention that also, right? And by SAS, by Khadusas, right? SAS, these 2 triangles are congruent. These 2 triangles are congruent. So can I write it here? Triangle AOB congruent to triangle COD. Yes, and by CPCT you can write this AB is equal to this CD. First and third I am taking. So by CPCT AB is equal to CD. So that is the desired result.